Hey guys, it's Casey from SBK Living, and today I'm showing my favorite room in the house, the living room. It's neutral, it's cozy, it's farmhouse, and I do this with all of the texture. Let me show you. Since we remodeled this house, what I did cosmetically for finishes in the living room before I started designing with the furniture was we stained the floors darker, we painted the walls Benjamin Moore Simply White, and the blue bench Benjamin Moore Hale Navy. When I start to design a living room, I always start with the foundation pieces. First being the rug, the sofa and chairs to really build the room around, and I selected neutral, like I said, a lot of texture and cozy selects for this space. So next up, I picked out some great accent furniture to go along with my foundation pieces. That would be the side tables, the white and black marble, the little wood bench side table, and then of course your coffee table. I like a round table because people can sit around it and it just feels more inviting. And finally, it's all about the decor, and I really love a cozy home, obviously. So I do that with a bunch of throw pillows. I like them oversized, so I typically do a 24 by 24 inch pillow and all of the throws. You see my pom-pom one here and my all-time favorite blanket, this chunky knit throw. So other decor elements I like to use in a living room are always trays, either here on the coffee table or on side tables, so you can set candles, coasters, and I always love to use coffee table books as well throughout the house. And if you're interested in learning where I shop and where I get all of my things from my living room, everything is linked over on sbkliving.com or the Like to Know It app, and the link is here in the description. So a new addition to this space are these faux grasses. I really like to use grasses or fake plants like eucalyptus to bring height to a space and texture. And obviously I'm loving this neutral grass. I think it goes really well with this space here. Another feature I use throughout the house are floor mirrors. They really bring life to a room and make a space feel bigger. So if you have a large wall, I highly recommend a floor mirror. So in this house, there was this cool bench that I noted we painted Hale Navy. And so how I styled it, I did utilize the coffee table books I was talking about earlier again, and big oversized baskets are also great in a living room because you can put your extra throws and pillows whenever you want to use them. You can grab them, but they look really great in this space. So let's head over to my hearth and mantle area. You'll note that I use the faux eucalyptus I was talking about earlier. Here, I love that it brings a pop of greenery in, and then the birchwood I get asked about frequently. This is for looks. We do not put it in the fireplace, but I love the rustic farmhouse feel that it brings to the space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to shop my living room, I will leave the link below to my blog, SBK Living, and my next video is going to be all about how to make a bed. So make sure to subscribe below and click the bell to get a notification. I will see you guys next time.